If your iPhone says you've reached a screen time limit, but you don't remember the screen time passcode, don't worry, you still have a few options. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 different ways to remove screen time limits on an iPhone without the passcode. The first method is resetting your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to a computer and restore it using iTunes. This will remove screen time completely, but keep in mind, all data on the device will be erased. The second option is erasing your iPhone through iCloud. Go to iCloud.com, sign in with the Apple ID linked to the device. Click Find My. Click the target device, then click Erase and enter the Apple ID password to forward. Once erased, screen time limits will be removed. Again, this method results in full data loss. The third method is similar but done through the Find My app. If you have another Apple device signed in with the same Apple ID, you can erase the iPhone remotely from the Find My app. Open the Find My app on your Apple device. Tap Devices, choose the target device, then tap Erase and enter the Apple ID password to confirm. This also removes screen time, but just like the previous methods, all data will be deleted. If you want to remove screen time without losing data, the safest option is using a professional screen time remover. Simply connect your device to a computer, launch MagFone iPhone Unlocker, click Unlock Screen Time Passcode, start and let it do the rest. And the time limits on iPhone can be removed in minutes. The first 3 methods work, but they all require erasing your iPhone. If data matters to you, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is the better choice.